Good evening to you all. I would like to give you a quick overview of a project I worked on last semester. It's about the calibration of an automotive R&D instrument, and I worked on it in collaboration with a local company. The goal of the project was to build a field calibration system for the devices you can see here on the slide. They are automotive data loggers who usually be installed inside of developmental cars. These data loggers can do a great many things, but relevant for this project was the fact that they can also measure voltages on 6 channels. A quick overview of the electrical system of the project, starting with a precision calibration source, voltage source, which then gets switched on a multiplexer circuit board to switch the precision voltage to each of these 6 individual measurement channels. During the course of my project, I mostly worked on the software components of the device, which meant writing interface components for all the different devices necessary, and also to use the calibration procedure, which I will get to in the next slide, inside of the software. Also a component to build PDF protocols. To the actual calibration procedure, I derived the procedure from the German national standard, the VDE, to calibrate electrical measurement instruments. And I specialized the general procedure for my purposes. Starting with a quick check of the prerequisites, things like ambient temperature, if all the necessary hardware components are reachable via software. The next step there are the measurement points taken. There's a total of 15 measurements to be taken for each channel, so a total of 90 measurements. Then there's an option to write the adjustment values of the calibration back to the EEPROM of the data logger. That's optional. If that's done, in any case, the results of the calibration get logged inside a PDF protocol, which is dynamically generated at the end of the procedure, along with any errors that might have occurred, so you can debug them later. Thank you very much for your attention. I'll give over to the next presenter.